My name is Brian Gillen, mechanical engineer, and I'm the CTO of Norton Motorcycles. What excites me the most about being CTO of Norton Motorcycles? That's a big question. It's a big question because it encompasses everything I've done with my career so far and my personal passion for motorcycles. I still remember to this day when my father put me on a motorcycle. The first time I get emotional thinking about it because he's not here with me anymore. But the first time he put me on a bike and that feeling that I had on that motorcycle, all the way up to the point that I crashed it into the woodpile. And I remember that feeling of crashing it into the woodpile as well. But that feeling of being there with my father, him teaching that how to ride a motorcycle was a very personal connection between the two of us that lasted our entire lives together. I've always been a massive fan of British motorcycles and Norton in particular, and the opportunity to bring my experience and my skills in the motorcycle industry to the relaunch, the rebirth of the Norton brand is very, very exciting. There was a big industrial transformation about 10 years ago with Industrial Revolution 2.0 that brought a lot of processes and tools into the industrialization and processes to manufacture. Those tools today have evolved into what we have available to us from a design and engineering standpoint to not only design and engineer in the physical world, but also to go back and forth between the physical and the virtual, take the information and data from the physical world, import that into the virtual world, the meta world, do all kinds of testing, analysis, and development, bring that back to the physical world, validate that information with the tools that we have to go back and forth, and we can advance the experience that the customer feels with the motorcycle. So it's a really unique time with the tools and instruments that we have available to really push technology to another level. Design and engineering with a motorcycle are intrinsically linked. With a brand like Norton, with the history that Norton has, with the importance of design with the Norton brand, we have to look at everything from a balanced perspective where we're making sure that form follows function and function follows form. So they have to be intrinsically linked and constantly going through loops to make sure, are we absolutely getting in the Nortonness and every single component, not only from an engineering level, meaning performance when we speak about engineering, but how are we designing that to interact better with the rider, to create the physical contact bond with the rider, and also to create an emotion when the rider looks at the motorcycle. In Norton, we're focused not only on designing and developing the most advanced motorcycles, we're also very focused on the development of all of our engineers and all of the people in the engineering department. We do that by exposing them to the latest tools, the latest engineering software that's available on the market, at the same time giving them the opportunity to take courses to learn and develop as a person and develop also inside of the Norton company, to grow inside of their department and interdepartmental, to change departments, learn from chassis to powertrain to electronics, and broaden their horizons. People that have a broader view of what makes a motorcycle are then able to contribute and give even more to the Norton product. I would love to sit here right now and explain in infinite detail all of the technology programs and projects that we have going on inside of Norton. Unfortunately, I can't. The programs and projects that we have ongoing right now are very, very exclusive, very unique, and very Norton. And what I can say is everything that we're doing is to try to live up to the Norton brand and the Norton standard.